I'm going to be talking to you today about using the Neo Powder Highlighter to create a little more dimension in the look. Now, I've already sculpted my face using the sculpting powder, and now it's time to bring my features forward. Our Neo Highlighter is a combination of light diffusing pigments and microfine powder particles for a really smooth, lightly highlighted look. In this compact, there's 3 colors to choose from: a light, a medium, and a deep. You can swipe your brush across all 3 shades to custom blend your own highlight shade, or you can swipe your brush this direction to select 1 shade at a time. It's super easy to apply, and you can imagine I love to custom blend my highlight. So I'm going to use a smaller brush to select the lighter shade and the medium shade. And before I go to apply this to my features, I'm going to work that product deep into those bristles for the best and smoothest application. Now, deciding where to place your highlight. It should be applied in any of the areas that you really want to reflect light and bring forward the most. For me, that's my cheekbone, my brow bone, and the bridge of my nose. With my brush fully loaded, I'm going to move my head at different angles. See how the light reflects off my bone structure there? I want to enhance that with a little extra highlight. Look how beautiful and smoothing that looks. I'm going to take whatever's left over on my brush to apply it to the brow bone, the inner corner of the eye, and just a little bit on the bridge of my nose. Not too much, but we want a little bit of that glow everywhere. Our Neo Highlight Powder is one of the best highlighting tools that we have, and we can't wait to see what you create.